When we have the car. Where'd I go? And over 52.
No, perfect, it's a perfect score. Then what about girls, like relationships, what?
Like it's not something I'm proud of, but
Oh, I forgot. There was.